Hey everybody, Tim and Vera here. It's September 2019. We got back 2 weeks ago from 5 weeks out on the road. I'm gonna show you some videos and pictures after this. Just want to go over a couple of changes that we made, more changes that we made since we even came back. Before we left, we removed the freezer, put that up front in between the consoles. And then put in a 34-quart angle refrigerator, full time. It can also be a freezer, but we use it for a refrigerator. And then we have the 14-quart angle up front, in between the two seats here, that we use as a full-time freezer. We were eating ice cream sandwiches in the high desert up in Utah. It was beautiful. So that was one major change that we made. Another, which I mentioned in some of my earlier videos, the television. We removed it, donated it to a very good friend, and put it in another full cabinet here, which gives us a lot more storage, frees up other cabinet space. You know, again, everything here is just, if you can use every space you can, that's how we like to do it. I also put another shelf in the garage in the back, just again to give me some more storage space. Van is running great, still getting 16 plus miles a gallon on average. No problems. Love the Nissan NV2500. We started out in mid-July. We went up to a bluegrass festival upstate New York in Oak Hill, the Gray Fox Bluegrass Festival. And then from there we went to visit some friends out on the Cape. Got caught in a tornado. First time that's ever happened out there. First time I've ever been in a tornado also. Vera was in the van. I was in a 260-year-old house. Anyway, from there we headed out west. Colorado, Utah, Arizona, Nevada, Grand Canyon, Black Canyon, the Gunnison, National Sand Dunes, Valley of the Gods. So many beautiful places, Great Basin National Park, so many beautiful places, and we're going to show you some pictures and videos of that. It's been fun meeting a lot of people out there. Again, if you want to build, if you want to help with a build, if you want information on a build, any of my resources, hit me up, TNV2500ny@gmail.com. Vera and I are loving life like always, and hope to hear from you, see from you, whatever we can. We just like meeting people and having fun. So here we go. Here's some pictures and videos. Thanks a lot. Ooh-wee. This is called kneeling camel. Doesn't take a lot of imagination to see it. Amazing. Alright, this is our last stop on the Black Canyon of Gunnison tour. Okay, Tim and Vera again. We took a hike a couple of miles in to Black Canyon to a place called Exclamation Point. And this is Exclamation Point. pretty spectacular.
Exclamation point. Oh, look at that.
I'm gonna take a couple of steps down.
Be careful.
Yeah, of course. Like that. Great Sand Dunes National Park, Colorado. A lot of people here. Understandably why it really is spectacular. We're staying off to the side where there's less traffic, but it's still wonderful here. Loving life with Vera. Here we are, on top of our own little crust here.
Out of breath and everything.
It might not look like much, but
Oh, it's phenomenal.
it's a hole. It really is.
These are dunes unlike any other.
It's a really spectacular place, man. We ain't getting to the top, we ain't trying. But it's pretty freaking awesome. Loving life with my wife
Until the flies come.
in Colorado. Okay, everybody, this is home for the next 2, maybe 3 days. We are on the BLM land in the Valley of the Gods.
Valley of the Gods. Beautiful here.
Outside of Mexican Hat, Utah. This place is awesome, awesome, awesome.
Secluded.
Totally alone. There is nobody around for miles. We drove in about 8 miles of a 17-mile loop, and we saw 2 other cars, and they were about 4 or 5 miles back.
And then we're about to get in the shower.
Yeah, after a long hot day. It's 95 degrees right now. We got the shower set up, and like I said, this is home for the next few. Really, let me show you the back side here, on the front side, whichever. This is where we are, out in the middle of it, and loving it. This is why we put this van together, trying to live the life we love. See you soon. This is the best close we can get without putting on climbing gear.
What'd you say?
This is the best close we can get without putting on climbing gear. Let's head up further on this. You know, we're gonna sit here for a while, soak it in, and head back. We are back down on the valley floor, heading back. And again, this is a wash basin. This is, if you look down, you see the wrapped around the base of all the trees here, the debris from roots and stuff. When the water is rushing, so that's how high it is. So that's a whole different feel in the spring melt and when there's heavy monsoon rain. But right now we're walking in it, getting back to the other side. Beautiful journey it was. Beautiful journey. Okay. Okay, after 2 days, we are driving out of the Valley of the Gods. It's an amazing, remarkable place. I met a person here the first day we were here, and he used the term magical, and that's absolutely what this place is. We got about another 3 miles to go before we're out of here, but again, we'll be back. There's so much to explore here.
And Vera's driving.
Oh, that's apparent, I'm not.
Well, I don't know if it's apparent. Could be anybody driving.
Okie dokie. Till the next
Gotta
time.
watch my wife.